Introducing the CBR Puncture Strength Tester, a specialized instrument designed to evaluate the puncture resistance of geotextiles, geomembranes, non-wovens, and protective packaging materials. This test replicates real-world conditions where materials are exposed to sharp objects and heavy loads, ensuring they deliver strength, durability, and long-term performance in the field. The tester works by applying a controlled force through a standard plunger, measuring the material's resistance to puncture with high accuracy and repeatability. This makes it an indispensable tool for industries such as civil engineering, road construction, packaging, and geotechnical applications, where material integrity is critical. International standards compliance. Contact us today to learn more about this machine or find the right solution tailored to your industry needs.